Hello, welcome to Tech Artistry. Today I'll be creating a new tutorial on how to make icons on Figma. So let's get started right now by creating a new design file, which should be on your home screen. Make sure you don't choose any of the others. Okay, great. Right here we can see we have our big radius here, which is called a page, and we have our side toolbars. We want to make sure those are set to layers and design. And we have our menu here. As you can see, there's the title up here, so I'm going to change that right now to icon tutorial. And if you want to, you can switch. Sorry. And if you want to, here's if you want to export your whole page, you can do that. You can add to your sidebar, but right now we won't be needing any of those. Okay, so our page here is kind of like our whole workspace here. And we can actually change up our page to something more us. We can do this by going to our design here and maybe changing the color and opacity. So if you want to, we could have it like this big red, bright red, and lowering the opacity. I actually just like to make mine transparent so I can see the grid. You can make it transparent by clicking the little eye icon here and hiding everything. Okay. We have our page ready now. We can go here, we can make a frame, which if you don't know what a frame is, it's kind of like a canvas on Figma. We can create a frame by going here next to our move icon, which is selected right now. And you create a frame by dragging your mouse across your screen like this. Right now we want to create I want to create a 100 by 100 frame, but you can change the size depending on what you're going to use it for. Okay, so I have that ready, and as you can see, the frame is pretty small, and it would be very hard to work on it. Thankfully, Figma has this option where, if we wanted to, we can go over here to the top left-hand corner, which is main menu. We click the little arrow, and we have these all these options here. And we want to go to quick actions and type in zoom. Make sure you do zoom to fit, none of the others. Okay, so we have our frame ready to work on, and right now we want to put in a couple shapes to make the icon, right? Right now, for the shape, you got to go up here again to our menu and choose the shape little rectangle here. Now we can make rectangles, but I'm pretty sure some people's icons are gonna have more than just rectangles. You gotta go to this to do that. You gotta go to this little arrow next to the rectangle, and you'll see shape tools. If you click on the arrow, you'll see a bunch of options for shapes. I'm actually gonna do an ellipse right now, which is fancy talk for a circle. Whoops, that's a bit too big. Size that down. I'll actually make that a 70 maybe. Yep. Actually, maybe a 75. Okay. That's good. Now I like to just have a little circle there. Just there, because I'm gonna make an arrow icon right now. So I'm thinking how thick I want it to be. I think I want it like maybe a little less. Yeah, I think that's good. I'll also just size it up a bit more. Okay, great. I'm also gonna make this a black color. Alright. Okay, now I'm gonna think of something to put in our circle. I'm thinking to make a small little egg icon. So I'm going to do that right now by going to our shapes icon again, clicking the arrow, and getting an ellipse. Oh, that's a bit too big. Size this down. I think maybe 30 by 30. Yeah, that looks good. Actually, I will make it 35. Okay. I'll just put this down here. And now I gotta mold this into an egg. So I'll just quickly raise the top of it. And I think I'll make it just a bit longer here. The arc of the curve. Alright, yeah, that looks like an egg. Just make sure to center this. Oops. Oh my god, I keep selecting this. Okay. Okay, and yep. I don't know, it doesn't look centered to me, but I guess it is. Maybe it's because... I'm just gonna flip it real quick, make sure it's... Oh. Okay, yeah, that looks good. I think maybe slightly on this side. Could lower it by a pixel. And that should be good. Yep, I don't think I can see anything. Oops. Okay. I'm just gonna make this pure black, just like the circle. And there we have it, our little egg icon. Okay, so now that we have our egg icon, I'm gonna be showing you how to export it. So right now, I just made my frame transparent, like the color of it. And if you don't know how to do that, I'm gonna show you right now. So we select our frame by going to our layers and clicking the frame 1. And your frame currently has the white color, which should look like this. If we go to fill here, we can go over here and click the minus bar. And that's how you can make it transparent. You can also make the background any other color by going to our little color section here and using this color picker. I'm just gonna make mine transparent because that's what I'll be using it for. Okay, so now we're gonna export our frame. We can do this by make sure your frame is still selected, and we can go down to export, which is all the way down here in the design section. Okay, and go over here. We want to make over here. We can select whether we want it to be a PNG, or a JPG, or an SVG, or a PDF. I'm just gonna make mine a PNG, and we're gonna export it. Okay, and to prove to you that it is really transparent, I'm just gonna open up my Google Docs here. I'm just gonna open, Google Slides. And I'm gonna create a blank presentation. Whoops, sorry. And I'm gonna insert my icon here. So I'm just gonna open it, and as you can see, it's transparent. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm really excited to make more tutorials like this. If you want to support me, you can leave a like on this video and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.